I'm Brian Stewart with Dr. Energy Saver St. Louis.
The best way to improve the comfort of your home and save on energy bills at the same time is to make your house energy efficient. Dr. Energy Saver, located in Collinsville, Illinois, will diagnose exactly what your house needs and recommend how to fix it. It all starts with a kitchen interview with the owner.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your home for energy efficiency?
6.
About a 6, all right.
In a short conversation, energy expert Brian Stewart can identify some heating and cooling concerns. And then the energy audit begins.
Well, right now Ryan is setting up the blower door. And the blower door is really a big part of any home energy audit. Any home has a certain healthy amount of ventilation. There's a standard for that that's set by the Department of Energy. It's called the Building Airflow Standard. It's also called the Minimum Ventilation Guideline. If a house has less ventilation than that amount, that could cause issues with health and safety. On the other hand, if a house has too much ventilation, then that's a waste of energy, as the air that you've paid to heat and cool just leaks back out. Wow. The recommended amount of ventilation for this home is about 1,400 CFM, and as you can see, the actual amount of ventilation is 2,400 CFM, and so that is well above the building airflow standard, and this is one leaky house. And right here in the kitchen, we can see a great example of that with this can light. What's happening is the conditioned air here in the kitchen is flowing right through that can light up into the attic, and it's taking with it the conditioned air that the homeowner has already paid to cool in the summertime or to heat in the wintertime. This room is very uncomfortable, especially in the summertime. It's hard to keep it cool. And what we found is a big source of the problem is this bay window right here. We can see that there's a cantilever overhanging the foundation, and right underneath this floor that I'm standing on, there's just a tremendous amount of air flowing under the bay window, through the cantilever, right into the floor into the basement. Right now the blower door is running, and right here near the rim joist, if I make a puff of smoke, you can see how that outside air is literally being pulled right through the rim joist into the basement. If we go up here and look at this rim joist, like many of them, they have a piece of fiberglass insulation that's been put in the rim joist to do some insulation, but really no air sealing. And so in order to fix this problem, what we do is we pull these out, and then we cover the rim joist with a 2-part spray foam. Well, joining us now is James Lord of Woods Basement Systems. And James, now that we've made the home more energy efficient, what is Woods Basement Systems going to do in the basement?
Well, Brian, this homeowner has decided to finish her basement, so we're installing the thermal dry floor tiles, which function as a vapor barrier. And these particular tiles are carpet ready, so you can lay down your carpet here in the basement. It'll feel just like the floor upstairs. Also, we're installing the basement to beautiful wall panels, which provide full wall insulation, a radiant barrier, and they're fully integrated with these metal studs, so you're ready to start finishing your basement right now.
Wow. Like many homes, one of the major sources of energy loss in this home is leaky ductwork. Many times people will try to seal the seams in the ductwork using duct tape, which is absolutely the worst thing you can use to seal ductwork. What happens with duct tape is it goes on easy to start with, but after a year or two it'll be peeling off, and that's because it can't deal with the ductwork as it expands and contracts. For that reason, we use mass seal ductwork, and I have some right here. And as you can see, it's a kind of a paint-like substance, and what we do is we just paint it right on.
After a complete home walkaround, the full report and recommendations are given to the homeowner. The good news, Ameren, Illinois customers may qualify for special discounts on energy-saving upgrades through the ActOnEnergy Home Energy Performance Program, which happened to save this homeowner $1,900.
Dr. Energy Saver is a network of contractors across North America specializing in helping homeowners make their homes more energy efficient and to save dollars that they spend on energy. In addition, the work that we do makes homes comfortable, healthier, and safer.
To find out more about Dr. Energy Saver or to schedule an energy audit, you can contact us at 888-770-4992 or log on to stlenergysaver.com.